I highly recommend Absolute Domestics for anyone looking for a part-time job or even a full-time job. Hi, I'm Shirley Littlemore and I work as a cleaner for Absolute Domestics. I was looking for a part-time job and I seen a couple of advertisements for Absolute Domestics and I thought, well, why not apply and see how I go. What I most enjoy about the cleaning job is meeting the new clients, and when the job is finished, just knowing that the house is clean and that they are happy with it. And I know I've got 5-star ratings so far. Working for Absolute Domestics is really easy because you don't have to go searching for the jobs. The jobs are put up online and you can browse through the jobs, and then the office will let you know whether you've been accepted for the job or not, and then you just go and meet the clients and go from there. The job that I'm doing now as a cleaner is great because I can work the hours that I want. Hearing the positive feedback makes me feel very happy inside, and that I know that I'm doing a good job for my clients. I'm feeling very happy because I'm doing what I wanted to do, just having a flexible job, and it suits my flexibility that I like to have.